Cutting straight live to Home Minister Amit Shah, who is at the cellular jail of Kalapani in Andamans, paying tribute to Veer Savarkar. This is a part of Modi government's Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to mark 75 years of India's independence. It's a tribute going out to Savarkar. Amit Shah's big tribute going out to Savarkar. He's begun his 3-day visit to Andaman and Nicobar Islands today to take stock of various development initiatives in the archipelago. And also he's visiting the jail where Savarkar languished for years. He's paying an homage to Veer Savarkar. He's visited the cellular jail in Port Blair. Even amidst the National Savarkar Showdown, this is a visit that is coming in. This is the Team Modi's visit to Veer Savarkar. It's a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The live visuals coming in are of Home Minister Amit Shah at the moment. He's at the cellular jail of Kalapani in Andaman and Nicobar Island, the archipelago, paying tribute to Veer Savarkar. This is a part of Modi government's Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to mark 75 years of India's independence. He's also going to be laying wreath at the Martyrs column. He's got a lot of activities, work-related activities lined up. This is a 3-day visit of his to the island, visiting the cell of Veer Savarkar, paying homage. He's also going to be attending a cultural program. He's going to be undertaking an aerial survey of various development initiatives as well. So that's the latest coming in, tribute going on to Savarkar. This is, of course, viewers, to put it into context, coming in as far as in the middle of the entire showdown on Veer Savarkar that we've seen. Amidst all of that, this is a big tribute coming in to Veer Savarkar by Union Home Minister Amit Shah. For our viewers who have just tuned in, that's Home Minister Amit Shah at the cellular jail of Kalapani in Andaman in the archipelago, paying tribute to Veer Savarkar. This is a part of the Narendra Modi government's Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to mark 75 years of India's independence. From the iconic Kalapani jail, you can see the Home Minister paying a tribute to Savarkar. This is a big tribute coming in. Listen in fact.